Hey, good morning, pre-K. Welcome to a new week of calendar math. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Hope you had a great week last week cooking and counting and making patterns and all of that. Today, we're just going to continue to be in the month of May and to look at our calendar time and all of that. So let's go ahead and get started. Today, you're going to need with you your pencil, your piece of paper, so that you can write the numbers. And lastly, you're going to need 9 items today. So 9 crayons, 9 pencils, 9 coins, 9 of anything you can find. So if you don't have those yet, go ahead and pause the video and go get those things, and I'll see you back here in a moment. Okay, we're back and we're ready to roll. So let's go ahead and get started on our math for today. All right, so class, let's start with our months. How many months are there in the year? Okay, I bet you said there were 12, didn't you? Okay, so I've got my numbers, my pointer stick here. Let's say I'm ready, begin. Good job. I hope you said them all together. Let's do it really quickly together, and I'll say them with you, and let's do it speed style. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And what month are we in right now? The month of May. That's right. May, with all the flowers coming and Mother's Day coming up this Sunday. Hope you have something that you're coloring beautifully for your mom. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin with our counting. We know we're in the month of May, so let's figure out what day we're up to, okay? So we started with May 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Today is May 5th. So I'm going to get my little number for May 5th. And do you remember what we talked about last week when we were making tacos? May 5th is otherwise known in Spanish language as Cinco de Mayo. So if you didn't have tacos last week, you could have them tonight and you could have Cinco de Mayo. It'd be so much fun. Okay, let's go ahead and put the 5 up there. There it is. So here it is, May 5th. So we can say, let's find out what day we're on today. How many days are there in the week, class? Sing them. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What day was I on when I was on the red today sign? Tuesday. That's right. Okay, I think we have all of our days now, or our information now. Let's say today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Say it again on your own. Today is one more time all together. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Now guess what? Does anybody see something new on our calendar? I'm going to zoom in on it. That's right. If you pointed to the blue sign, you are correct. This is a new part of our calendar. We've learned about saying today's, and we've learned about saying tomorrow's date, and we'll get to that in a second. But this word starts with y. It's a very long word too. If I were to say that out, it would be 3 syllables. So we're going to say it together, okay? Yesterday. Yesterday. Has 3 syllables. Yesterday. Yesterday. Yesterday is a word that means the day before today. All right, so today we're on Tuesday. What is the day that comes before Tuesday? We can sing our day of the week song to figure that out. So remember, whatever day we say before Tuesday, that's the day before. Okay, so let's sing it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What was the word I said before Tuesday? I'll do it one more time. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What was it? If you said Monday, you are right. Monday is the day that comes before Tuesday. So Tuesday's here, one day before, or yesterday is Monday. So yesterday is an old way of saying yester. Yester is a old way of saying the day before, okay? And so yesterday. We don't use yester very much anymore, but we do use it in the word yesterday. So if I wanted to know what yesterday's date was, I can look here and we know it's Monday and the day was the 4th, okay? So yesterday's date was Monday, May 4th, 2020. Let's say that again. Yesterday was, we say was because it was in the past. It already happened. Yesterday was Monday, May 4th, 2020. Good job, students. Okay, let's figure out what tomorrow will be. Remember, tomorrow means the day after today. So if we're singing Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday is the day that comes after Tuesday. So we know that that is tomorrow. So we know it's going to be Wednesday. What is the number that comes after 5? So if we want to know the number that comes after 5, we can just count up until the number 5, and then the very next number we say is going to be the tomorrow day. Okay? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What was the number that I said? 6. Yep. So we know that tomorrow is going to be Wednesday, May 6th. Okay, let's say that together. Tomorrow will be Wednesday, May 6th. Now we'll put on our number card for May 6th tomorrow, but that's good for now. Good job on calendar, you guys. Let's go ahead and find out what our school day is. We are going around and around and around, and it's so colorful in here. And let's go ahead and figure out what the number is coming next. Sorry, you're staring at a white wall because I'm trying to configure things. All right, here we go. So we have 80. Let's start there and count by ones. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, and 87. If you said 87, great job. Good for you. You did the next number that comes after 86. Well, what do you think the color is going to be on our 87? Let's take a look at our number line and see what other cards have a 7 on them and find out what color those cards are. Here we go. Let's see. I see our very first number 7 was a purple. Let's check to see if the next purple we see also has a 7 on it. It does. It has a 1 and a 7. Remember, 10 and 7 is 17. It does have a 7 on it. Let's go. It has a 2 and a 7. 20 and 7 is 27. You know what? I think we have our pattern. Every time there's a 7 in the ones place, we see a purple card. So guess what? Today is a purple card. If you guessed that it was purple, you are correct. Okay, So this is the place where you need your paper and your pencil. We're going to write the day of the month that it is today, and we're going to write the day of school that we are in. Okay, so we're going to do that all at once so we don't have to get our pencil back up in between. Okay, so our day of school we decided was 87. So I'm going to write that first. Make an S, but do not wait. Climb back up and blast off. And 7. Slide right, slant left. Good. You wrote your 87 for today. Good job. Okay, the other number that we want to practice while we have our pencils out is our number of the day, which is 5. So we're going to tell me how to write the 5. Short pull down, forward circle, stop, back to the top, slide right. Oh, thank you very much. I'm so glad you remembered how to tell me to draw a 5. Okay, I'm going to put my cap back on my pen because my red pen actually dried out over the week while I was away from school, and I had to go grab another one. Okay, so we are up here. We've got our number 87 up there. It's looking beautiful. It's looking great right next to the 86. Okay, I think today we're going to count our number line by 5s. But you know what? I'm not going to use our rainbow number line. I'm going to use our 100 board that you have at home. So if you have that board and you'd like to get it out, you can. We're going to count by 5s all the way to 100. All right, here we go. Finger on the 5. Ready? Count. 5, 10. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Did you do that with me? That's great. Good job. That's a lot of counting, isn't it? We can count by 5s all the way to 100. That is a fast way to count. Okay, we haven't added our new cards to our counting tape, and I'm kind of curious to see what our pattern is going to be for the month of May. Remember, when we left last Monday, it was only Friday, it was only the 1st of May. So we hadn't had any new things. So we're going to go over, and I've already put our cards up. So you can see our cards. Interesting. What do you notice about the cards? I think you're right. I see a small bear. I see a medium bear. And I see a big bear. You know what I thought of just as I was saying that, a small bear, medium bear? I was reminded of Goldilocks and the 3 Bear story. How it was baby bear and mama bear and papa bear. Maybe we should call it that, right? Okay, let's try it again. Baby bear, mama bear, and papa bear. Okay, that's true. Let's see if it does it again. Ready? Let's try. Baby, mama. I wonder what tomorrow's will be. I wonder if what would your prediction be? If it was small, medium, large, small, medium. Do you think what I think? I think tomorrow might be large. Let's hold on to that thought and remember it for tomorrow when we do our counting tape. See if we're right. Okay? Hey, I have something else I want to show you. I have Number Bear here, and there might be something you notice about him. Let's take a look. See if you notice anything about him. I'm going to zoom in on the thing that I want you to notice. See if you can notice it before I get there. Oh, I'm hearing some of you. I heard you. Look, what number is that? That's right. It's number 9. Number Bear graduated one number. So he is a year older or a number older today. So that means that we get to make sure that Number Bear is happy with all of the things on his vest and in his hands. So we're going to create some number sentences today that will let you practice how to make 9. So this is where I was saying if you have 9 of something, it's a good time to do it, okay? So we know that because Number Bear was number 8, that he has 8 of everything. So go ahead and get the things out that you have 9 of and just put 8 aside, okay? So if you have 9 crayons, go ahead and put just 8 together in a group, okay? Let's go ahead and make some number sentences of Number Bear turning 9 in all of his things, okay? So we have 8 flowers. Let's count them just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number Bear has 8 flowers, but he picked another one from the park that he was in. So now he has 8 flowers and one more flower makes 9. That's right. Let's count them to make sure that we were right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We were right. He has 9 flowers. Hey, on May Day on Friday, did you happen to get any flowers or take any flowers to a neighbor? We took some flowers to the girl's grandma, my mother-in-law, Mr. Hilt's mom. We took some flowers to her. It was Saturday, it wasn't Friday, but she had a wonderful May Day and got some really good flower love from people. I hope you were able to give some flowers to somebody too. And if you didn't yet, go ahead and do it today, because what day is a bad day to get flowers from somebody? I don't think there is one. Okay, let's go to the next thing. We have balloons. Let's count our balloons. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balloons, and one more balloon is 9. You're right, there are 9. Boy, I hope he doesn't float away with all those balloons. Okay, let's look at his buttons. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buttons. 8 buttons. And one more button is 9 buttons. Very good. Okay, let's take a look at his pockets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pockets, and one more is 9 pockets. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Way to go. You guys are getting this so great. Okay, we have one more thing. It's his pencils. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pencils right now. So 8 pencils and one more pencil makes, you got it, 9. So good. Okay, so with the things that you have in front of you, I said for you to group 8 of them together. That means you're going to have one that is away from everything else, okay? Let's say your number sentence together, okay? Now, I don't know what you have in front of you. You might have marbles, you might have crayons. I don't know what you're going to have, okay? So I'm going to I'll say we have 8, and you go ahead and when I say you put in the thing that you have in front of you, okay? All right. If I have 8, and put one more, I have 9, It sounded silly when I said it, but I bet it was very, very good and clever the way that you said it. Okay, let's try that one more time. Go ahead and take one out. Oh, we can make another number since 9, take away 1, is 8, Good. Let's try it one more time. Ready? 8. And one more is 9. Very, very good, students. Okay, you know what? I think we can make a motion sentence as well. If I do 8 push-ups with my right hand and 1 push-up with my left hand, how many push-ups do I have? Let's find out. Ready? You can do it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I did 8 push-ups with my right hand, and I did 1 push-up with my left hand, and I had 9. Way to go. What did you choose? What can we do? Show me. Awesome. That looks so great. I'm guessing some of you chose jumping jacks. It wouldn't surprise me if some of you chose jump spins because I know how you guys work. Okay, well, that was really good. Today, on your own, I want you to come up with 1 or 2 more action items that you can do 8 of and then 1 more of. You could even do 2 different actions. You could do 8 push-ups and 1 spin. Let's try that really quick, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 twist and turn is 9 actions. We did 9 actions. Very good. Okay, pre-K, it's been good to do math with you today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.